Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a traffic violation with DMV full guide step by step clearly. If you receive a traffic violation, the first step is to stay calm and gather all relevant documents. Locate the ticket you received, as it contains essential information such as the violation date, location, and fine amount. Next, check the deadline for responding to the ticket to avoid additional penalties. Decide whether you want to pay the fine, contest the violation, or attend traffic school. If you choose to pay the fine, visit your state's DMV website for payment options. You may be able to pay online, by mail, or in person at a DMV branch. Make sure to collect proof of payment for your records. If you decide to contest the violation, carefully read the instructions on the ticket regarding how to plead not guilty. You may need to prepare your defense, gathering evidence such as photographs or witness statements that support your case. Next, check the court information provided on the ticket to find out how to file your plea. Submit your plea by the deadline indicated on the ticket. After filing, you'll receive a court date where you will present your case. Make sure to arrive on time and dress appropriately for the court. If you are found not guilty, the violation will be dismissed. If you prefer to attend traffic school, verify if you are eligible by checking your state's DMV website. If eligible, follow the instructions to enroll in an approved course. Upon completion of the course, you may need to submit proof to the DMV. This may help reduce or eliminate points on your driving record. Always keep copies of all correspondence and documentation related to your case. Stay informed about any changes in traffic laws that may affect your situation. Finally, remember that maintaining a clean driving record can help prevent future violations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.